is our solar system, of course. The answer to this question depends on what exactly to take as a basis. In the ordinary sense, it consists of planets that revolve around the Sun. They're satellites of the asteroid belt, passing between Mars and Jupiter, comets and the Kuiper belt. However, with the advancement of technology, solar system boundaries have expanded significantly. Pluto was discovered in 1930, and some astrophysicists had thoughts that there are other space objects beyond its orbit. And today there are new generation telescopes tirelessly scan the sky, trying to find something significant in the pile-driver belt. So far, only small bodies have been found in it, the remains of the building material of our solar system. However, recently, scientists have noticed unusual patterns in that region, which may indicate the presence of a planet. Because cosmic bodies are subject to the influence of gravity, some large object. Also included in this area are dwarf planets, including the same Pluto. He was assigned to this category just over 10 years ago. The Kuiper belt can be compared to the asteroid belt, only it is much larger in weight and size. In 1950, Dutch astrophysicist Jan Oort suggested that long periodic comets are formed in a certain place, surrounding the inner space of the solar system. Since then, this area of space is called cloud hoard, often confused with the belt of the pile driver. But it has more comet-like bodies, and it is more remote. The Oort cloud is spherical in shape, surrounds our star system on all sides. Other objects, for the most part, exist simply in the same plane with it. Its discovery in its time expanded the boundaries of the solar system from approximately 50,000 to 100,000 astronomical units. Further goes the conventional boundary of the solar system called Heliosphere. Why conditionally? Because in order to find out where is its edge, it is necessary to find out at what distance does it cease to dominate solar gravity, and how far does the solar wind fly. The heliosphere is constantly under the influence of wind. Our luminary heliopause, that is, the limit of the heliosphere, starts at a distance of 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, and the wind shown starts to break rapidly already at 70,000 astronomical units. This happens because what's in this area? Interaction with interstellar gas is already occurring, consisting of hydrogen, helium and a small amount of heavier elements, carbon type. The pressure of the interstellar medium is completely balanced. Solar plasma flowed to heliopause, having a shape similar to an elongated bubble, created by the solar magnetic field and wind. The heliosphere is trying to displace from the star system interstellar medium. Most scientists, it is the heliosphere that defines the end of solar systems, considering it the most consistent point of measurement. Its boundaries. The flow of particles in it spreads over such a distance, which is 3 times the distance to Pluto. However, as of today, astronomers have reason to believe that the heliosphere is constantly changing in size. The thing is that the space probes Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, launched in 1977, at different distances from the Sun, left the heliosphere. However, it is important to note, what is solar gravity? Dominates at even greater distances. A number of scientists believe, what is the solar Hill sphere? Space around an astronomical object, in which its gravity dominates, extends to 125,000 astronomical units. This is exactly the distance they accept for the full edge of our star system. As you can see, the definition of the end of the solar system. It's not an easy task. And what? Scientists have a large amount of new data, the more difficult it becomes. Sphere.